8. Okay.
Pumpkin, like that.
Yes. So we will stop here for today. Okay. We will stop here for today. And let's begin with maths.
Okay.
Okay, Joshua, can I have a video on, please? Good morning.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay. Now we will do what? We will do maths. And I was teaching you yesterday to find out the area of a parallelogram. Okay, we'll check out some questions on it and then we'll move on to finding the area of a trapezoid. Okay, first we'll check out some questions on finding the area of a parallelogram. Just a minute. Okay. One second. A parallelogram. Here's the question. With base 5 centimeter and corresponding height 6 centimeter. Find the area. Abraham, what is the formula of area of parallelogram?
Ma'am, I think it's base into height.
Okay. Base into height. Joshua, what will be the area?
The area will be 30, ma'am. 30 centimeters, ma'am.
30. Good. 30 centimeters. 5 into 6, which is 30 centimeter. Correct. Okay. Now, when we have the area, check out this next question. Sometimes we will have the area. We will have to find out one side. Okay. Say base would be given and we have to find the height, or height would be given and we have to find out the base. Okay. That time what we will do, take a look at this question. Area of parallelogram is 216 centimeters square, and one side is 32 centimeter. It's written find the height, means this is the base. Okay, so what we will do? Now the formula is area equals to base into height. Okay, put the values. Area is how much? 216 is equals to B is 32 into H is H. I don't know H. So this 32 I will take this side. Okay, so it becomes 216 divided by 32 equals to H. Okay, so you cancel and it becomes H is equals to 6.75 centimeters. Okay, what do we do here? Whenever we are like here, we are finding out the height. So we divide the area with base. When you're finding out the base, you divide the area with height. Okay. When you're finding height, divide the area by base. When you're finding base, divide the area by height. You will get the other one. Okay, Joshua? Got it? Write this down, please, both of the solutions.
Pardon, ma'am.
Write down both of the solutions.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
One question I will give you to try. Okay. First, write this down.
Ma'am, is it possible if we could solve it mentally?
Is it possible if you can solve mentally? Yes, you can solve mentally. Yeah, you can solve mentally, but it is also important that you write it down on paper. Okay? Because teachers cannot read minds. Okay? Teachers cannot read minds. I cannot read minds. I don't have that superpower. Okay? So you have to write it down in the copy for me. Okay? So I'll see how you've done it. But you can solve it in mind also. Okay? But you write it down on paper after you solve it in mind. Okay? I will take a retest of the 9th chapter, Abraham and Emma. Okay. I will take a retest of 9th chapter. And before that, I will take, I'll check out that paper with you. Okay, tomorrow, we'll check out what test you did, the previous test. Okay, what questions you got wrong, where you got wrong, where things went wrong, I'll tell you tomorrow. Okay, and I need improvement from your side in the 9th chapter. Okay, Abraham and Emma, both of you, improvement is needed in the 9th chapter. And 9th chapter test tomorrow is Wednesday, right? This Friday we can keep the 9th chapter test. This Friday we can keep. Okay, so prepare for it. Okay, Emma and Abraham, prepare for the 9th chapter. Once again, okay, doubt class I will take Thursday. 9th chapter doubt class. Once again, I'll take your doubts Thursday. Okay, and again, I'll take your test Friday. Same 9th chapter, full thing. Okay. Joshua, done writing?
Almost, ma'am.
Okay. Ben Joshua?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, do this question. Do this question.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yeah. Yes, Joshua.
When you write base times height, you write B. For short form, you write B times H. Why is the B a capital and the other
Yes,
H?
Joshua. Joshua, I just put B capital just like that. You can put small also.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Here the base, you have to find out. Okay. Base, you have to find out the area of parallelogram is 300 meters square and the height is
Ma'am, I think that's 3,000, ma'am.
10 meter. 3000 meter is the height. Okay, 3000 meter square is the height. Sorry, area. 10 meter is the height and base you have to find out. Emma, what will be the base?
Yeah, one second, ma'am. Ma'am, I had one question. Can you just tell me the formula? Can you explain one more time? Like, just because the
The
formula.
usual formula
The answer
for
300.
is the answer 300.
I'm done.
Yes, Abraham. The answer is 300.
And so it's divided.
Area,
So it's area divided by
it's
height.
divided.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Usually, area of parallelogram base into height. I have to find out the base, so I'll take height this side. So it becomes area of parallelogram divided by height equals to base. So 3000 divided by 100, sorry, 10 equals to base. Cancel and cancel. 300 meter is the base. Okay. Okay. Now, one more question.
You got understand. You got understand.
What are you playing?
Yeah.
You're ready for breakfast?
Yeah.
Go ask of a little. What time you should finish? What time you finish?
Me? 9.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's begin.
Right?
Yeah.
In your mask? Huh?
Can you all go? Dada, you want to meeting and tell Dada, yeah, I already have done this chapter. Huh?
Better?
Yeah, because then noise will come.
This meeting is being live streamed.
Yeah.
What?
Joshua, done writing?
I thought you were waiting for.
I'll eat later.
Wait. Lie down. Rick.
I'll eat later.
Check out this question. Check out this question. The area of parallelogram, the area of parallelogram of base 42 of base 42 meter is twice the area of triangle whose height is 36 meter and base is 63 meter. Find the height of the parallelogram. Find the height of the parallelogram. Okay. Now first try to understand the question. Okay. Yes, Abraham. We have a parallelogram. Okay, we have a parallelogram and a triangle. Okay, look at the question. This is my parallelogram. This is my triangle. It says that the base of a base 42 meter. Okay, this is 42 meter. This thing, okay. And the triangle, and the triangle that we have, the height of it, this is the height, is how much? 36 meter. 36 meter. This thing, look on the screen. This is 36 meter. Okay, Emma, look on the screen. And the base is 63 meter. Okay, this base is 63 meter. What the question is asking is that the area of, question is telling us that the area of parallelogram, this thing, is 2 times the area of this triangle. Means this is 2 times bigger in area than the triangle. Okay, now you people have the base. What we have to find out is this height. What we people have to find out is this height that I've made it in red. Okay, this triangle is 2 times bigger, a parallelogram is 2 times bigger than the triangle. We people have to find out the height of the parallelogram. Okay, what we will do is first we'll calculate the area of the parallelogram, then divide the area by base to get the height. Okay, how do we find out the area of parallelogram? We find out the area of triangle multiplied by 2. Okay, first we'll find out the area of this triangle multiplied by 2. So that will be area of parallelogram. Then we'll divide that area by the base to get the height of the parallelogram. Okay, to get the height of the parallelogram. Let's do this. Let's do this. First, area of triangle. Joshua, area of triangle formula.
I'm not sure about the area of triangle formula, ma'am.
Area of triangle Abraham.
Ma'am. Open photos. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, may I leave, ma'am? I have another class.
Abraham, just stay till this question and then you can leave.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I wrote that 1/2 into base into height.
Yeah. Half into what is the base 63? What is the height 36? Okay, we can cancel. Okay, multiply 63 and 18. You will get 1 second. 1,134 meter square. Okay, 1,134 meter square. Okay, now area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is equals to area of triangle into 2 multiplied by 2 because triangle parallelogram is 2 times the area of triangle. So 1,134 multiplied by 2. How much? How much will that become? That will become 1 second. That will become, okay, they have not multiplied.
Ma'am, 2,268, ma'am.
Yes, Joshua. But 1 second, given the two areas are equal, the area of parallelogram of base 42 meters, twice the area of the triangle. Twice the area of triangle whose height is 36 meter, base is 63 meter. So what we're doing is right now. But they have like just divided it with height. No. So 1,134 into 2 divided by 42. According to the question, this is only what we'll do, 2,268 meters square. Now we'll find out the height. Okay, now we'll find out the height. Height of parallelogram.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, David joined, ma'am.
Yeah. Equals to area 2,268 by 42. How much? 54 centimeter is the height of this parallel. Okay. 54 centimeter is the height of this parallel. Understood? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Abraham, write this down. Emma, can you turn on your video? Today you have to do question 1 of index question 16.5. For your homework today, you have to do question 1.
Ma'am.
Question 1 of in-text questions 16.5. This is your homework for today. Okay. Science, we'll revise another chapter tomorrow. Okay. So only maths homework is there. Only maths homework is there for you all today. Okay. So then the area of trapezium I'll teach you tomorrow. Okay, Abraham, you may leave now. See you all. Okay, Joshua, see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.